You are welcome to Remit Forex Academy, and the market right here on the EURUSD chart is moving upward, and also if you look at USDJPY, market is going straight to the downside. The weekly wrap up today is very important because it actually gives you an idea of what a market is going to do when we resume markets or trading on Monday. So pay attention to today's video and watch the video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, Remit Forex Academy, please like this video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on bell notifications so that you receive more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex resources and videos. On the EURUSD 4-hour chart right here, if you look at this trend, market is moving to the upside. It's very clear because if you look at it from here, market move upward, and then from this area, market come back to the downside, move up again, and right now market is moving to the upside before the close of the market. What I am expecting from here is the market to move upward, so there should be a continuation of the market to the upside on EURUSD 4-hour chart. So market should move upward and create a further new highs. Then at this very point of 1.0962 and this very area, we should see the market retrace back down again, because if you look at the impulse to which the market move upward is very strong right here, and the market come back down. Then at this very point of support, market begin to move to the upside. I am expecting that as we resume market next week, market should continue upward, okay, a little bit before a good retracement in the market. And I'll be updating you as well on this very pair. And if you look at the USDJPY chart, market created a new high at this point, come back down, failed to create a new high higher than the point at this very area. And right now, if you look at the market come back down and is coming into this very area of important support. So what I am expecting right now is the market to drop a little bit down as we open the market on Monday into this area of support. So once the market drop into this area of support, it will be a nice time for us to buy the market on USDJPY, for the market to begin to move upward again. This is what I am paying attention to right now on this very pair, USDJPY. A little drop to the downside into this very two support level, this very first support and this other support at this very point. The market is going to begin to move to the upside on USDJPY, and on GBPUSD the same thing. Market is trending upward. You see the market make a new high, come back to the downside right here, and then make another new high, come back to the downside for retracement, make a new high again at this very point. What it means is that market retrace, okay, to this very point. I am expecting that this market go up and create a new high. So the very thing you need to pay attention to on this very chart is the market should create a new high, because a failure to create a new high will mean that the market is going to come back to the downside. And the parameter you need to use to watch this is the EURUSD, because if EURUSD have already created a new high, there is a chance or high probability that this market is going to continue a little bit upward. And your focus, like I said, should be on the market creating a new high, because if the market fails to create a new high, then GBPUSD is going to come back to the downside. So on the immediate short term, as market open on Monday, I am expecting the market to move upward on GBPUSD. And finally on EURUAUD right here, you see the market come back down to this very point after a failure to create a new high. So euro have been moving upward from this area, a new high, come back down, create a new high, come back down, and a new high higher than this very significant resistance level at this very point, and the market begin to come back down, retracement. What I am expecting on EURUAUD right now is the market to move a little bit to the upside. So there should be a little move to the upside, and then market should come back to the downside again on EURUAUD. This is very important. You need to pay attention to the fact that the market should move upward a little bit and fail to create a new high above this very level of resistance. So once we see that, then market is going to begin to come back down on Euro AUD. This is what you need to watch and pay attention to on Euro USD, USDJPY, and GBPUSD, including Euro AUD right here. What do you think about the market on Euro USD? Do you think this market is going to see move upward, or you're going to see a drop from where the market is right now as we resume the market on Monday? Comment below the comment section of this very video. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.